This is Filmmaker 101. Stand by, we're going for a take.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Splendid, you're in. I'm Kathy and I'm excited to show you all of the wonderful things you can do with videos and stills in the classroom.
Filmmaking 101. Engaging, meaningful, collaborative, iterative, playful, creative, easy as.
We'll be looking at the language of film editing, a bit of green screen. You will love it. The best part is that they can be integrated into all the KLAs and make learning totally
engaging.
I take video footage and stills of many of the lessons and classes that I teach. I use them for revision, I use them for reflection, I use them for motivation. They are incredibly powerful and the kids love it.
Here's some behind the scenes for a stage 3. This is kindergarten taking some photos of their Play-Doh constructions and talking about it, adding their names and titling in photo edit. Here are some students in Malta looking at their art exhibition. This student is working on his stop motion project. So what's possible? Videos explaining the task, offering differentiation and showing student work. What is visual literacy and why is it important? Visual literacy is the ability to decode, interpret, create, question, challenge and evaluate visual images and multimedia. Visually literate people can read the intended meaning in a visual image, interpret the purpose and evaluate the form, structure and features. Visual literacy is more important than ever because 80% of everything humans learn is learned visually. The grammar of visual literacy is important to understand. What you are doing is training the eye and the heart of the student to look at a film in a different way by asking questions and pointing to different ideas, different concepts and suggestions. Students achieve this if they are makers as well as consumers of film.
In this course, I will be looking at basic film and editing techniques that can be used across a variety of KLAs. I've worked in many schools here and in Europe. Here are some of the reflections from teachers who have been excited to try filmmaking in their classrooms after my sessions. Once students have the basic filmmaking skills, recording and making a video of their science experiments, sporting activities,
personal interest, Tom loved anything to do with outer space, reports.
A reporter Lewin has come across a tornado. This tornado is knocking down hundreds of buildings in the middle of Auckland City.
Can be part of their task. The options are limitless. Write a voiceover, add music, add captioning. Do 100% to camera as a presenter for your topic. Then add cutaways to show the action.
What are some different types of videos you could do in the classroom? Types of videos: explanations, reports, interviews, monologues, school tour, procedures, book trailer, and virtually anything.
I've attached a PDF below called Classroom Videos Are Changing Teaching and Learning to download and read before the next session. I hope you enjoy it. In the next section, we'll be starting with 12 steps to creating great video and photos.
See you there.